Welcome to the blade manufacturing department.
As a specialized razor and blade manufacturing factory, we have several departments working together to produce high-quality razor blades for our customers. Follow me as we visit these workshops.
This is the raw material warehouse.
The material is key to producing high-quality razor blades, so we import steel strip from renowned countries like Germany and Japan.
This is our blade punching workshop,
where the steel strips are punched and shaped into blades.
Here is our heat treatment line.
Steel strips undergo 3 critical processes: heating, cooling, and tempering. This step hardens the blades and ensures durability. We also provide ODM services for customers, including printing their brand logos on blade surface and creating private label products.
Here is the grinding workshop.
To achieve maximum sharpness, the steel strips are fed through polishing machines with precision polishing wheels. After polishing, the steel strips are cut into individual blades pieces by pieces. Inspection is crucial to our process. Workers carefully check blade quality to ensure it meets requirements for sharpness and hardness. To enhance blade performance and longevity, we have 3 protective processes. First, blades are soaked in protective oil to prevent rust and corrosion. Second, we apply chrome coating to create a durable surface layer. Third, the sanitary process binds all protective layers together, forming a strong, long-lasting finish. Finally, let's visit our automated packaging workshop. Individual blades are wrapped in paper, then packaged into boxes for distribution. This completes our blade manufacturing process. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, please contact us.